Alright, what I've got here is a UV cup. You'll notice it's black. We've got UV primer in here, which is a 1K product, so you can leave it in this cup all day long. We're using the SATA Minijet 4400B with a 1.2 SR. I'm going to start by adjusting my fan shape. We've got two small spots on this fender. The first one being real small, I'm going to use my Minijet to do an outside in, 2 coats, wet on wet. Then we're going to switch to a 100B RP with a 1.1 UV nozzle set for doing just a little bit larger surface area, so we can show you that both work for this UV product. What's great about the UV product is we're going to get exceptional fill. We're going to put 2 coats on for doing these small spots at once. And then we're going to use a UV curing light, and with that UV curing light it's about 1 minute back and forth on each spot. And then we can go ahead, we'd be able to sand those spots and move on with our production.